Tozani ugogo nomkhulu salwa sendodana ugogo bathini bathi mavula kuvela emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha here up in India. Gogo, will I only get wealth through Muti? That's a question. I heard this question many times, and it's similar question to a question of iskopo. And I want to answer this because I'm at the country that is conducive for me to answer such questions, because I'm at the country that taught me other ways of healing besides using Muti. When I'm saying other ways of healing without using Muti, I mean not using Muti on you at all. Not even a drop of Muti that I will say to you, okay, for this one you used to use this Muti, or this Muti, it's a must that you use it. Yes, I agree, not everybody is for this kind of treatment, and it's not a kind of healing for lazy people, for people that they want shortcut, for people who will lie to claim ukuthi Muti doesn't work for them. That's why I don't normally talk about such videos that like this one, because of people who claim ukuthi I mina gogo Muti doesn't work for me, just because of you want to use Muti, but there's a lifestyle that you don't want to change. And don't you lie to yourself in thinking ukuthi this kind of help that does not need or require or uses umuti, it's easy. It's like somebody to be told that you have a calling. Then they say, calling. Then you say to them, no, but your calling, it is not to be a sangoma, it's to pray for people. Then you see somebody smiling, and when they talk about it, they glow like they glow when they talk about it. It's like, yeah, I hear you. Yeah, I thought as much, because Gogo, my mother or my father or my grandmother or my grandfather was a prayer. Then I look at them thinking ukuthi to become a prophet, it's easier than to be called to be a sangoma. No, it's actually more difficult, because most people, they can fake the sangoma part. You can tell, man, ukuthi this person is just doing it based on the information that's been given and everything. But to turn this water, to turn this into a protection, to convert water to a protection, to convert water to wealth, to convert water to be antibiotic, to convert water to be anything that Muti is, it is not easy. I call it, it's not easy. Don't waste time to think what is easy. It is not easy. It's exactly the same as what we are talking about today. Ukuthi gogo, is there wealth that doesn't requires you to use Muti at all? What do I mean by that? I'm talking about things that you need to do, except you having to go and vomit, having to go and steam, having to go and jump primer stove, having to go and do whatever sort of things that we do as part of the rituals of using umuti. But I'm talking about things that they need you to do, using stuff like tea, sugar, salt, cooking oil, coffee, milk, eggs, things like that. Things that you can buy over the shelf, at the supermarket, plants that you need to have into your house. So when I'm in India, I'm always in India for two things: for Muti things and for that type or of healing. I don't want to use the name that is actually being used, because I've been doing this for many years, and people, they were not being aware. Other people, they were not being aware that in other people I've been using double. I'll use the actual part of Muti, and I'll also give instruction to use other things. That's another thing that I'm using. But now I've been told, ever since I'm here in India, to say I need to do more on that, because it's exactly what is my grandmother used to do. And my mother, before she passed on, she used to tell me such things, to say you must mix this and that, you must do that and that and everything. But me, grew up in a Zulu orientated environment. Muti, I want to use the muti, and that's when I believe somebody will be healed. Kanti, that's not a point. So there is wealth without muti. There is. This video, I'm not going to explain a lot, or rather deep on it, but to tell you ukuthi it is not an easier way. Never think it is an easier way. It is not. It is not. For example, there's a salt bath that I normally prescribe. Unfortunately, that salt, I prefer to get it myself. There's a salt bath that you need to get, where other people, not everybody, on other people, you must use it every hour in 12 hours, from 6 in the morning, 6 in the evening, every hour for 7 days. I'm just giving an example. So it's not an easy task. So when I say to you, and it's one of the rituals that has helped many people to find time with themselves. Many people have came to me to say, Gogo, ever since I got into this treatment, I got to understand or to know myself better. Gogo, I understand who I am now. Gogo, I understand what is my destiny in life. Gogo, I now have a relationship with myself. So today I'm keeping it simple. There is wealth that does not require umuti, but it's not for lazy people. And unfortunately, that wealth, it starts on its consultation. It starts on its consultation. And I must separate those consultations. It's not a consultation that I will do in your normal circumstances, in terms of saying to you, okay, come, and you don't have to buy candles for that sort of a consultation. You just need to pay a consultation fee, and then we do that consultation. There are no bones that are going to be thrown. We are going to speak, and I will then tell you what is it that you need to do. So let's keep it simple. In this video, I'm saying there is help. There is consultation that has nothing to do with bones. There is help for wealth that has nothing to do with money. Allow me to emphasize this part. It is not an easy way. It is not a shortcut kind of a thing. Because if it was a shortcut, I wouldn't be here in India today. I wouldn't be in India today. I wouldn't wake up and come to India for me to bring you shortcuts. So bear in mind, it is available. I've always been doing it. Those who have known me for longest of time, they will know what they used to come at home with water. But that's the wonderful water. It's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the one that it does not require anything. There are things that you can get from me because of it's easier for me to source them. But most of the stuff that you are going to use at the end of the day, they are from your heart and they are from off the shelf. As simple as that. So let's keep checking this channel. Make an appointment via the office. if you want to get more information about it, it is available. You forgive me, even if I wanted to do it this video a bit long, I'm exhausted. I'm really exhausted. India is not a child's play, and everything that you do here, you really need to concentrate. You really need to give it all. You really need to give it all. So if you need that help, please contact the office. And thank you very much for cooperating with the office. I'm getting a lot of good feedback from you to say you are getting a good help from the office. They are treating you well, they are giving you clear directions and everything. And please continue to respect them. And even when you come at home, if I send you at home to say go and get help, guys, this thing, it works spiritually, not physically. It's a spiritual help that we do as traditional healers. So trust me when I say you can go home, even if I'm not there, you will get help. I taught them what is it that they need to do if I send somebody to do that. And if something really needs me and I'm not sure, or I know for sure that I haven't taught them, I haven't teach them whatever that needs to be done, I'll definitely make sure that I am there in person. So for now, thank you so much for all the support and all the prayers that you send to me, all the gifts that you send to my way. I really appreciate. I'm here in India yet again. If you know what there's something that Gogo promised you that I must bring in India, guys, I'm not a computer. And sometimes I have so much notes in all my phones, in my diaries. I've got many journals. Sometimes I am not able to collect all the information when I'm in the strip like this, and I end up not remembering everything. So because of this family channel, this is where I go and announce the office is there. So meaning Ugogo Bathini Mbatha will never run away from you. There is no way that you can claim Uti, I'm ignoring you, I'm running away from you. There's an office that you can always get me through. There's an address that you can get and make an appointment to come and see me. It's just that other people, they just get into a fighting mode. They just get into a moody mode. Why? Because of people are frustrated. And I do understand. I do understand where you come from. I do understand the pain that you have. I do understand what things are not going your way. I do understand what you had so much, or you have, or you had so much faith on me, and maybe I've disappointed you in somehow. Remember, I'm only a human, and I apologize if ever I didn't do according to your expectations. However, I always have plan A, plan B, and plan C. So you can come and let's sit down, let's resolve issues, let's talk. I also do that. You'll never see me in social media talking about I went to whatever country, they didn't help me, they did this, they did this. No, I go back. I might not have money to go back this year or next year, but whenever I can go there, I go back. And if I feel that I am not getting help, I'm okay. Because I know for the fact, Oguti, I have done nothing but my part. So if you want wealth, if you want to transform your life, and you so believe, because I'm going to ask you questions that they are not going to be comfortable. So if you so believe, Oguti, you've done everything in your powers in using Muti, what you have been through. And guys, Oguti, you have spent a lot of money doesn't mean Oguti, you have went through everything. Those are some of the things that I'm going to discuss with you when you make an appointment for wealth without Muti. Thokozani.